Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you my updated eyebrow routine. I'm just going to be taking my spoolie and my eyebrow brush. I'm going to be going ahead and working that through my eyebrows, kind of in the shape that I want them. I just brush them, make sure they get, all the hairs are going in one direction. I'm then going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. I'm going to start right kind of a little bit towards the front and then just kind of draw a straight line back. And then I'll do my little arch and just kind of drag it out. And just kind of work that back and forth, the product. And then just work my spoolie through so it doesn't look so harsh. And then I'm going to do the same on the top, just following my brow shape. Being careful not to get it too thick or harsh, but if I do, I'm just going to go back in with the spoolie and go through that. That way it doesn't look really harsh. Just going to continue to go over it and then just kind of fill in my sparse areas with whatever product I have left on the brush. I'm going to go ahead and spoolie through. Pick up a little bit more product and then just fill in all these patches on my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take it, flip it upside down, and just do little flicks to the front of my eyebrow so it doesn't look so harsh. Just flick it all the way up. I like to do that so it doesn't look really harsh. And then I'm just going to come in the front and kind of connect the whole eyebrow together, just really lightly. And then I'm going to work my spoolie through again and make sure everything's blended out. Alright guys, that's one. You don't want that one. Definitely that one. Then I'm just going to take some concealer and a flat brush to clean up underneath. I like to put it on the back of my hand and just warm it up a little bit. Just going to go ahead and warm it up with my flat brush. And then just take it from the beginning and go ahead and fill in my underneath the brow. I do go a shade lighter just to kind of highlight the brow bone a little bit. And then after that, I just work it in with my finger just to blend it all in. Then I'm going to take some foundation. I don't like to have that, my top of my brow that highlighted, so I just use my foundation to clean up the top brow. And I blend that in with my finger as well. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.